Welcome to Adoniram Family Kitchen. In today's video, we will show you how to make Nando's style spicy vegetable rice. This spicy rice is super easy to make and is a perfect side dish for roasted or peri-peri chicken. So are you ready? Let's begin the recipe now. The spicy vegetable rice was incredibly delicious, and to be honest, it tasted even better than Nando's. We served it with our spicy roasted chicken recipe, and it is also perfect with peri-peri chicken. You can find the link to both of these recipes in the description box and the end screen. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And with that, catch you in the next one.